Deleting a design on the XTPRO control panel. Eventually, you're going to have a ton of designs in here. You're going to want to delete some. I'm going to show you the easiest way to delete designs. One at a time, we just select the design and then we hit the trash can and we hit the check mark, and that's going to delete that design. Now, if I want to do more than one at a time, I hit this button here. Right now we see one check mark, but if I hit it one time, now there's 3 check marks, and now I can select multiple designs. Okay, so it's going to be on each page. Oops. Okay. And then I hit the trash can, and now all of those designs will be gone.